Hi, I'm Blaine Robert, the CEO and the creative director of Blaine Robert Design Malaysia and Blaine Robert Design Dubai. Where am I? Today, I'm at Niro Ceramic Group. And why am I here? I'm here to dive into the timeless beauty of modern function, all through the artistry of Zirconio. So this product is really important to me because it's a part of my life. It's what I use as a professional. And why do I do it? Because of the absolute sexiness, the gorgeousness, the large slab, the versatility, how it all works perfectly, but it is used and it is most practical. Here we have Zirconio Exo Slab, our premium series proudly made in Italy and inspired by the grandeur of the Renaissance. Now, what is it crafted from? It is crafted from the finest Italian expertise. So what does it evoke, or what does it bring? It brings those cladded halls of Italian Renaissance. It brings that classical art feeling, and most of all, that architectural finesse. All together to create excellence and a sexy vibe. Each piece of this marble mimics the intricacy of natural marble. It captures the grace and the depth of the Italian artistry in high resolution detail. And this is what's important for any project, to have the right vibe, the right sexy, and bring out your personality and character. And for something a little bit more expressive and something a little bit more sexy, let's meet Deco d'Italia, a modern tribute to that Art Deco glamour. This is perfect geometrical design. It's got those earthy tones, that statement pattern that's perfect for a feature wall, an entrance, or a hospitality space. Now, from opulence to resilience, let's take a look at Zirconio stone. This table is more than just a surface. It's a complete and utter masterpiece. The high definition design mimics the richness of natural stone with through body veining that ensures the beauty runs deep. It's dense and it's rough, made to resist the scrapes and the knocks of daily life and still look absolutely stunning. So in the kitchen, performance is key. As any wife or any cook would tell you, the stone handles heat. It handles heat perfectly and will never leave any residue or any stains on your countertop. It handles the scratches, it leaves no marks. And this is Asia, and we're talking about Asia, it's all about cooking and stains. There are absolutely no stains, all without losing its charm and sophistication. So, soap and water is all you need. All you need to do is give it a really good wipe like this, and it's completely gone. Grout lines are minimal, it's clean, it's sleek, the finish is perfect, and there's a lot less maintenance. It's food safe, it's non-toxic, and it's porous free. You can prep with peace of mind that everything's going to be okay. All you gotta do is clean it up or throw it in a pot, cook it up, and dinner is ready. From side tables to coffee tables, this material is absolutely beautiful. Its really detailed veining goes all the way through to the bottom, to the edges and to the cutouts. It's completely intentional and is clean and refined. From Italian craftsmanship to engineered resilience, Zirconio redefines what surfaces can be. Visually strong, endlessly strong, very stunning, and very inspired. What every space truly, truly inspires to be.